Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life with Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of June 15th through the 21st. It's crazy, this is the second to last week in this planner, but this week I'm going to use this Lisa Frank kit from CDB Planner Print. It's very fun, bright and colorful, and definitely brings me back to my childhood. I also pulled out this sticker book from Dollar Tree. I think it has a lot of fun, bright colors, and I might use some of the habit trackers from there. And then I kind of want to use like silver / hollow, so I pulled out the Cavern Studio and Sweet Kawaii Design sticker books from Michaels that I have. So that's it. In terms of washi, I started pulling some stuff and then just got tired out. But I'm thinking I'm going to put on the bottom the silver and then this bubble. The silver is Scotch and then the bubble one comes from AliExpress. So yeah. I think that's pretty much my plans. Right now I have nothing planned for this week for sure, other than work stuff, which I'm not going to put in here. And Father's Day is on Sunday. So I'm going to put these down. I'm going to scatter all the headers. This one's torn, but I think it's going to turn out fine by the time I'm done. And so I'm going to do those couple of things. Let me see. I have a ruler. And I have a slice tool, so I'm going to do that stuff and then I will be right back. So there is all of that done. I just skipped over the one that's broken. I just won't use it. And then I have these two for the sidebar. So I think that'll turn out fine. So let's start with the full boxes. I really don't think that it matters how I split these. I think I'm going to put this one up here because this has like always been one of my favorite Lisa Frank patterns. I mean cats. That's just gonna be tough. As you can see, I ran the washi all the way along the bottom because I figure I can always just stick something over part of it and that'll be fine. I'm gonna stick the other cat on Thursday, I think. Oh, I think this is gonna be in the middle. Yeah, that'll be fine. I think I want to go across like that. Then let's see. I don't know why I'm like spending so much time thinking about this. It like literally doesn't matter. Anyone else feel like they spend like a long time thinking about these things? Usually in instances where like they all look fine regardless. I feel like I spend the most time when it doesn't really matter and the least time when it's easy to figure it out. I don't know, whatever. Alright. So there are the full boxes done. For the sidebar, I'm going to start with this guy. Right here. And then I'm going to stick, I don't think that this guy has a habit tracker in it. No. I didn't buy the cleaning schedule. This one has like one habit tracker. Oh, here's some habit trackers. I think I'm gonna use this thing. This hot pink one. Right here. There we go. Then another divider. Like so. And then I don't really need anything else in the sidebar, so I'm just gonna stick the cute little designs. Hopefully that fits. There we go. There we go. All right, I think that's cute. Okay, for the week, I could use these little work guys, those little work guys. This one only has like a couple of work things. What does this one have? This one has work with like hours. Alright. I think I'm going to use these for work. And I'm going to kind of alternate amongst all of them, I think. Okay. These are my Beauty 360 tweezers, which I use upside down because I'm left-handed, but it doesn't matter because they're the same both directions. I think I want the small size for all of these. So this is going to just be Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Oh. Maybe I'll use this now. They look the same except their skin color. But Wednesday. Thursday. And then I'll use this one. Obviously not tan. I am like more pasty white than the most pasty white of these girls, but it's fine. Okay, on Monday, we have all of these, so I plan to stick one of these on each day. So I'm just going to take the first one. Oh, I did not cut these. Alright, we're going to have some like real time watching me cut. So I usually just hand cut these without like a ruler or anything. And I hope in this case I don't cut too deep. I end up cutting the page underneath. There we go. Okay, so I can pull this one out. Put it down here. Great. And I need to film. So I think I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna like stick that in a box up here. Maybe I will. So let's see. This is like the extra box that doesn't have a matching checklist. So we'll use this one on this day. A little gap here. I can stick some washi in there if I need to. Alright, let me see if I can find like a filming sticker. Otherwise, I'll just use some sort of like star or something like that. That's totally fine. This is like a chores set, so like these puppy stars in there. She's got like a little planner there. That could be cute. Okay, I'm gonna just stick her right there. And that's for my plan with me. So that's done. Tuesday, I'm just gonna stick in the next one of these checklists. Like so. I have nothing else scheduled on Tuesday, Wednesday. Got nothing. All right, Thursday, another checklist. This one I did not cut it, apparently. Oh, got most of it. Alright, now I got like sticker paper on me, but it's fine. There's Thursday. Oh, also on Thursday, hopefully I can find an appropriate sticker that's like cute but too big. It's gonna be the finale of Top Chef. I don't know if I have like any TV related icons. I don't think this one has anything. This one's gold foiled, so I'm just avoiding the foiled stuff and sticking to the colorful stuff. Alright, so in here there are a bunch of stars. So I think I'll use one of these. Maybe like this green one. I'm just gonna put it right there, even though it's like the end of the day. Whatever. Close enough. Alright. Friday. This one like cheetah print. And then Saturday. I could actually put the checklist on the top on Saturday. Maybe I'll do that. Mix things up a little bit. Since I didn't already stick down my like work icon. And then here is Sundays. There we go. Alright, also on Sunday, I need to pick one of these. Maybe I'll use this blue one. Stick it right up at the top. So this is for Father's Day. I did not pull anything specific to Father's Day either, because apparently that would be too much planning for my life. So I'm just gonna see if there's anything that's like appropriate. Like a little chef, my guy likes to grill. Usually does that for Father's Day. just going to use a little star again. I think I'm going to use the same green one. Because why not? Just like that. Alright. So that's everything I've got planned right now. Not a lot, but it'll fill out as it usually does. I'm going to fill everything out with my iHow 0.38 and then I will be right back. That's it for now. This definitely smeared, so I might need to rewrite it with a different pen since it's kind of slippery. But anyway, stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished week. You can see, do a little viv wiggle and then twerk. Got lots of hollow foil, silver foil, I love it. This is all I have left, is my header that I accidentally cut through. So that definitely worked out really well. I'll go through what I used. If I don't mention it, it comes from the kit, which is from CDB Planner Prints. This is from Dollar Tree. These are all from Shine Sticker Studio. Same as this. Chasing Shells, more Shine Sticker Studio, Creative Cavern Studio, Shine Sticker Studio, all of these. Creative Cavern Studio, more Shine Sticker Studio for all of these, and Dollar Tree. This is Scotch Washi. This one's AliExpress. And that's literally everything. So I love how it turned out. It was super colorful and cheerful and perfect for summer. Definitely very nostalgic as well. Let me know if you also bought all the Lisa Frank things when you were a kid, getting ready to go to school. Definitely did that. And like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Let me know what you were planning for the rest of the summer, if you have kits figured out, what your ideas are. I would love to see what you're using so I can get some ideas myself. And follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see finished and in progress spreads. I tag all the shops so you don't have to remember the things I just said. And until next time, bye!